Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Yes, new week, new puzzles. In today's newspaper on Monday, it's Monday, May the 1st, 2023. We have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. And I have not so good news because today there's no extra puzzles. Let me show you. Wait. No extra puzzles. What I will do in the evening is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the first day edition. Yeah, yesterday on Sunday I've solved the Friday edition, so let me solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Here, no extra puzzles, so only one puzzle in Medium Sudoku. And this one will be number, yeah, it's a double 63, yeah. This one will be double 63. Alright, double 63. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the Medium Sudoku has always 26. This one has 28 printed digits. So I don't know if this is really a Medium Sudoku, but the easiest one has always 27 with the 1 star indication. So this should be easier than the 1 star, but for 1 star, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in the middle column should be there. Alright, can I count? And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the last row, so no 5 in that box. So 2 boxes left for the 5 in this big square. The 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, okay. Then cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. It should be there. 8. Then 7. 7, 2, 2, and the 9. Yeah, we have 4 missing numbers. No, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in the first row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 9 in the third column, so no 2 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row. So the 6 in this big square could be here, or there. You see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in the last column, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. It should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 missing number in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let me see. 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 9. We have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 1, 7, 8. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 1, 7, 2, 7, 2. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, okay. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Come on. 1. 7. Need a 2 here. 2, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 4, 1 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in the third column, first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 to 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Alright, can I count the 3s? Oh, we have already the 3s. How about the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4, okay. Then, one number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9, and look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, this is really a 1 star, so I think they've made a mistake. Medium with 28, this should be an easy one, and yeah, maybe an Sudoku Light, yeah, but not quite correct that this is a medium Sudoku. Alright, 663, this Sudoku. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this puzzle. Otherwise, I will see you in the evening with other puzzles in the Thursday. Well, Thursday, not in the Thursday edition, because Thursday it's King's Day, so we have not received any newspaper on Thursday, so it will be difficult. I believe the Wednesday edition then. Yeah, I need to look in my archive with the old puzzles. Anyway, see you in the evening. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday. Bye bye.